Mingla. The phrase is standard greetings in Myanmar. Mingla means prosperity and blessing. Ba is to convey politeness. I am Jessica Aung, class of 2019 Asia 21 leaders from Myanmar. My official name is Theory Aung. Myanmar people do not generally have surnames. Every name carries a meaning. Often, the first name is the most important and usually refers to the day of the week one is born. I was born on Friday, so my first name starts with Ta. Ta is a two syllables meaning beauty. Aung means victory. I am an investor focused on economic empowerment in Myanmar. I work as a country representative at DEG, German Development Finance Institution, a member of KfW Banking Group. At DEG Myanmar, I lead long-term financing and investment to businesses across a wide range of sectors, from infrastructure, microfinance, manufacturing to healthcare. Myanmar is also known as Golden Land for being blessed with resources. Myanmar has the biggest landmass in Southeast Asia, with a total area about 650,000 square kilometers. Myanmar is slightly larger than Madagascar and smaller than the Northern American state of Texas. Myanmar has 5 neighboring countries. Two than China and India are the world's most populous countries. In addition to its large territory and location, Myanmar also enjoys about 2,000 kilometers long coastlines, oil and gas reserves, and endowments of mining metals and precious stones. Myanmar people, 54 million of us, should see the benefits of rich resource endowments. I believe that the socio-economic progress is made in providing people with more access to infrastructure and electricity, and in promoting good health and well-being. I believe that expanding business and entrepreneurship in Myanmar is about people, not money. Business is about providing people with the opportunity to live life with dignity. 99% of Myanmar economic force is made up of small and medium-sized enterprises, requiring financing options that respond to their specific business needs and contexts. As an impact investor, I work alongside businesses to provide customized financing solutions, create opportunities for millions of people to access funding, and change Myanmar for the better. Myanmar is an agricultural country. 70% of its labor force is in agricultural sector and live in rural area. One of DG investing companies run to own enables rural mobility with its innovative motorbike rental service. Every household needs at least one motorbike to make it easier and faster to go about their daily life. The low-income earners, it is not easy to buy one, with only about 1 in 2 Myanmar people having access to electricity and about 50% of the roads not possible during monsoon season. I focus on investment teams centered on making Myanmar people healthier, wealthier, and better educated. Lack of sound accounting, good governance, business planning are also widespread pitfalls in Myanmar. So, access to finance must be accompanied with capacity building and institutional development. For the businesses I'm involved with, I equip them with tools such as value chain analysis and risk management measures to transform them and make them local champions. Productive workforce is another building block to create local champions that win at the regional and global level. The government is moving in the right direction. School years have been lengthened and technical vocational education has been encouraged. Education budget has increased from 0.57% of GDP in 2011 to over 2% of GDP. It is still far below the regional average of 3.6% of GDP. However, with progressive positive changes, I'm confident that Myanmar youth workforce readiness has been leapfrogged. live in Yangon, the biggest city in Myanmar. Yangon has the densest concentration of colonial buildings of any city in Asia. Sule Pagoda area, located in Central Business District of Yangon, is one of my favorite areas as it represents the vibrancy, diversity, and potential of Myanmar. Within 1 kilometer of Sule Pagoda, some of the key sites include mosque, church, city hall, and a public park named General Mahabandula, who fought against the British in the First Anglo-Burmese War in the early 19th century. The area illustrates religious harmony and Myanmar's rich history from monarchy to colonialism to modern times. I look forward to seeing you and showing you around in Yangon and